Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Unity. I have Circle Scallops, and this is a part 1 of a 2 video series using the sweet Circle Scallop stamp set. We're going to begin by placing our Circle Scallop stamp sets onto clear blocks. I'm going to be using the Hello sentiment, and the largest circle is going to be positioned in my Misty. Let's get started. We're going to begin by using Catherine Pooler's Aquatini ink onto the bottom left of our card panel. Next, we're going to move on with the Fiesta Blue, then with Grass Skirt, which is a dark green. Now we're going to use some of the pink with that smaller circle, and then coming back with a medium-sized circle on the top using one of the purples. Same medium-sized circle with It's a Girl, which is a pink, coming back with the littlest circle in Grass Skirt, and then just repeating the process, adding some more coloring onto the outer corners. Gonna stamp, just create a little more of a rainbow to it. Next, using a pink piece of cardstock cut to length to match the Hello, we are going to heat emboss the Hello using white embossing powder. Gonna place that and heat set. We're going to trim it and place it on the card with foam adhesive. To top it off, we're going to be using some Pretty Pink Posh jewels, and these are in white, and I am placing these with some Newell drops. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please give this a thumbs up and come back next week for part 2. Have an awesome day.